So yes. So what do you mean by on load? Whenever the form loads or refreshes, and before you get the access to the form, the onload client script will get executed. This is what we have discussed. So if you want any confirmation like this, I will go to onload demo. So when I select a type as onload, the snippet will get pasted automatically by the system. And here I will write like alert. Okay, alert. What I will write? Please check with your team before you raise P1. Something like that. I will write it and I will save the record. I will save the record now. Here, if I go to, please guys concentrate. I am reloading the form. Whenever the form reloads, I am getting the. So
Alert.
will you be able to access this form now?
No.
No, right? That means before you get the access, that means right now you are on execution because you have given the alert. Alert, if you click on alert means if you click on OK, that means yes, I have read this what do you call alert. Then you click on OK, then only you will get the access to the form. That means before you get the access to the form, the client script, the onload script is getting executed or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Now if I click on OK, then only I will get access. Guys, access means you are able to modify or you are able to touch something on the field. Got it? Then what do
Yes.
you mean by on submit here? This is how you need to explain it to the interviewer. That's why this is 100% question. Okay. So right, what is on submit here? So here I will enter Santosh happy and I will put some like a test. Okay. And I will save the record. On submit, you can save, submit or update. So I will save the record for now. You can see, please concentrate. When you save the record, what it is doing, guys? When you click on save, submit or update, what it is doing? In database. Is this correct?
Yes.
When you click on save, submit or update, what it will do? First, what it will do? It will go and save the database, get saved in or updated in database. After that, when it is getting updated, it will do some action. Okay, before it gets submitted or updated, it will on submit will do some action. You are able to understand before when
Yes.
you click on save or update or submit the data before the action will be done, before the data will get saved or updated in the database. Understand?
Yes.
But here, what you need to understand other thing is, and also the form will get refreshed. Is that correct? You can see, I'll show you.
Yes.
So I will save the record, whatever the test is there, and assignment group, whatever the data I have selected here, software, subcategories, email. Now, if I save this record, this software, email, and new number, Santosh Happy, everything will get saved in the database. before that milliseconds, before it will save in the database, the on submit, I will share, change it to new one. Give me a second. New. Come on. Yes. So on submit. Now, if I select on submit, snippet will get pasted automatically. Here, I will write alert. Please check. Do not enter sensitive data. Something like this, I will alert it. Okay, I'll save the record. So here, if you see, I'll go back and also RER. Okay. So right click, go to configure and client scripts. Okay, onload demo. See here what we have done. So on submit I am doing this or save, whatever. So here I am entering folder as Santosh. Happy. Here I will do the test. Please concentrate. So if I save the record, what will happen? It will go and this new data will get saved in the database. Right? Before the database it is executed, my on submit client script has to be executed. So save. See, do not enter sensitive data. Is it my on submit client script or on load submit? On load this
On
thing.
submit.
On submit.
Correct? So
Yeah.
when I click on OK, form is refreshing. That means on load again, on load
Script is getting
also
executed.
This you have to tell to the interviewer. Understand?
Okay.
Guys, are you able to understand? Everybody, Anuja, Beena, Swati, Vinay, Yaram, Hariprasad, Shruti, Sai, Pratap.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Please raise your hand if you don't understand. Okay. So that's what here I have written. See, whenever the form saved or updated, before the data gets updated in database, some action will be done. The on submit client script will get triggered. Whenever you click on save, update or submit, action, not action. Your action is nothing but on submit script will get executed. Okay.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Okay. Action on submit script will get executed before the data gets saved or updated. And also the form will get refreshed and onload client script will also get executed. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then what do you mean by on change? On change we have already discussed. No? If you have any changes, if you've done any change on any field,
Field.
and if you based upon this change, you wanted to do something. Something means some action should be done. If you select a software, I want this assignment group should be mandatory. If you select a channel as phone, I want the service offering to be mandatory. This can be done by client script and also client, client also UI policy. So I hope you understand my point. So here today, on the other day, we have discussed about a G underscore form, which is a client side API. API is nothing but application protocol interface. See, these are the two things. G underscore, we have discussed it or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Discussed.
Now we will discuss about G underscore. 1 second, please.
Okay.
G underscore user. Then what do you mean by G? What do you mean by G, guys? I already told you. What do you mean by G here?
Glide.
Correct. Glide means
Right.
you are referring to the Servicenow system. Glide form, only these two will be used on client side, yes. Okay, so G user is nothing but what I told you about the G form. The present form is your G form on the client side. In the same way, G underscore user is nothing but the present logged in user will be treated as G underscore user. Simple. G form is nothing but present form. G user is nothing but presently who has logged in. See, say for example, here right now I am on who is this? Santosh Happy. Right now, who is the logged in user, present user, guys?
Santosh.
Santosh. Simple. If I go here and here, if I do, tell me who is the logged in user here, who is the present user here? Simple. David Lu.
David.
Okay.
Here, now tell me who is the presently logged in user? System administrator.
Administrator.
So like this, if I open the 847, the present user is system administrator. If you open, if the David Lu opens this same ticket 847, the logged in user or present user will be on his login, on his browser. He is the logged in user. He is the present user. Right. So now on on-submit itself, I will check. There are two things, properties and methods. Here property, what do you mean by property? What is your property? That means if I take Hariprasad, what is his properties, guys? His name, first name, last name, and his height, his color, all these are his properties, correct? In
Yes,
the
sir.
same way, every API will be having methods and properties. Here, now we will discuss about properties first and methods next. In the G underscore form, no properties are there, only methods are there. We have discussed set value, add info message, add error message, all this we have already discussed, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, here on submit, I will try to do G underscore user. You can see user. See, G underscore user dot. See, this get full name. See here, this what do you call violet color things are okay. Violet things are client data. Client data is a method. Full name is a method. Has role is a method. Has role exactly is a method. Roles last name, user ID, username. Dot first name. See, first name is a property here. Understand, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So G underscore user dot first name, last name, everything you can write. See, here you can see a property. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what I will do is, how many of you know about variable, guys? Don't be shy, don't be hesitate to say no or I don't know. No problem, I'll tell you. Dilip, Mauni Allah, Ahmad Khan, Prashanti. How
Don't
many?
know, sir.
Sorry, who is that?
Bina.
Okay, no issues. Any
And
other?
Swati also.
Okay, very good. This is how you need to ask me, guys. Don't, because you are putting all your efforts to learn this. Don't be shy here. So now you tell me, Bila and Swati, where A is equal to 10 and where B is equal to 20. Now, where A plus B equal to what? Tell me.
30.
30. How do you know? Because you are assigning this 10 value to A and a 20 value to B, and here you are adding them A plus B. Correct?
Yes, correct, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
called variable. Simple.
Yeah.
This is how calculator also do this, because whenever you change this value, that means if you put 30 and A plus B will be 50.
50.
In the same way, where A minus B, where A star B, sorry, A star B, star is nothing but into
Into.
multiplication. Yeah, where A divided by B. That means you understand. So this is how variables will be declared. In the same way, here also I am declaring variable ABC equal to G underscore form dot G underscore G underscore user dot first name. Okay. And now what I wanted to do here, alert this is a logged in user first name. Okay. First name of logged in user is
ABC.
plus
Plus.
C. Understand?
Yes.
Now what the system has to do here? It has to go to the logged in user's profile and check for the first name. Right? Now I will go to, so on submit, I am writing it here. So what I'll do is I will save the record now. Who is logged in user system admission? That's fine. So save the record. Do not enter certificate data. Okay, I don't enter. See, please check your team before using. Okay. It's on road. Okay, so I have changed the script, it seems. So that's why it's not working. Is that correct, guys? No? Tell me, guys.
On submit, we have written for.
Tell me. Save it. First name of the username is system. It has come now. Did you observe that?
Yeah.
So please concentrate again. I will save the record one more time. So I'm refreshing the form. Here you can see. Come on. Yeah, tell me. Yes, go ahead, please. There is some latency. Here, if you want to check why this is a latency, if you go to the bottom, on the right corner, let it get loaded first. Okay, no worries. I'll take new form, incident. Okay. Yeah, I take Santosh. Santosh.
Inactive another script also, sir. So
See,
that
okay. Sorry,
inactive another script also.
I didn't understand what you're saying.
ఇంకో స్క్రిప్ట్ కూడా ఇన్యాక్టివేట్ చేసాను అంటున్నాను సార్ అది
Which one?
సబ్మిట్ మీద ఇంకోటి ఉన్నట్టు సార్
That is what I am doing now.
ఆన్లోడ్ సార్
Right click on that. Form is not getting loaded. Okay, I can go like this also, guys. Client script directly. Client script and the system definition, client script. Okay. So now I'll check whether it is working fine or not. No. Student, create new. What happened? Why incident form is not working, guys? Do you have any idea? Suddenly it stopped work. And scripts. So false, 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 false. All are false only. Five false, false, false. Everything is false. Why? Okay, I'll make this also false. Then we will see. Student form. Yes, no. Yeah, so that means this is the culprit. Understand how you need to understand? So,
Yeah.
see. So if I make it active, no, client script incident form is not working. That means this is the problem. We'll check what is the problem here. On submit is fine, active is fine, global is fine, everything is fine. But where ABC is equal, okay. Where A is equal to first name, let us see.
Sir, change the name in alert.
Change, yeah. Okay, so there are some other already keywords are there with that name ABC, A, something like that. So that's the reason why it is not picking up, it seems, but still we will see. Okay, click on create new. I will see. Now first name of the logged in user is incident change request problem. So A is already defined somewhere. First name of logged in user is incident change underscore request problem. What is this? So that means that is what it is saying. A is already defined somewhere. That's the
Kumar, I have wondered. So why are we putting this alert in outside of the on submit function? Like,
you can put it under this one also, no issues.
yeah, maybe if we put outside, the scope is global or something like that.
No, no, no,
Because
no,
we are-
it's not like that. No, 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 no.
Okay.
Because usually we are function execution, the action we will put outside the braces, right? Reload the form. And you click on submit. Our able tutor is there. Test is there. I will save the record now. See, the first name of logged in user is what?
System.
System admin.
Understand?
Yes.
So if the same execution, I have saved the record. If I go to, who is this guy? Santosh Happy. If I go to this and I will go to create incidents, leave the page, incidents. If I click on new, I don't know whether it will work or not because we have not saved it on the view will also be there. Because we have not putting it on the form layout. I'm sorry. View. Versions. View is there, no? Under global view is there. Inherited global and view. Then where is the view? Global under view. Okay, let me go there. Configure view on the default user. Okay. So view should be there, but it is not visible. See, view not. Go to configure and formulate of the client script form. Under the active inherited global, there is a view field, but under global, see now view is coming. It's gone. You have to check why view is not visible. Can you check these guys on your instance? Guys, are you able to understand what I'm asking?
Yes, sir.
View is there in the form layout, but it is not visible on the form. Why? Will you be able to troubleshoot it?
Yeah, we'll try.
Yeah. You can check all the UI policies which are already there on the form. On client script form, you can check for the client scripts. Sorry, not client script, UI policies. Invisible, hide, we have done the hide thing, right? So if I hope they are doing something, because when the form is loading, see, view is coming and going. So that means on load only they have written something. We have on load on client script and also UI policy. So check both the things. So if you want to check, we can do one thing. Right click. Oh, okay. Okay, we can do one thing, guys. So if you want to check on the client scripts all. Yeah, here he has not written any view. See, view is there on the show messaging. So no views are allocated. That means client scripts. Here, if I select a view also, yeah. So on submit demo, I will take the view as default view. Okay, now I understand. So no view is there. So that's the reason why it is not visible, it seems. Default view. Or global. If you put the global, it will be applicable for all the views. Default. Let us see. No, it's not coming. See? Okay, so I will go to this guy, David Loop, and I will create a new incident on submit, right? Okay, I'll open the existing one. I will save the record. See, are you able to see this?
Yes.
First name of logged in user is
David.
David. So our script is working fine. And now I want to write another script on the same thing where A equal to G underscore form dot user full name, get full name. Okay, get full name. And now you tell me, guys, if I put both the things and I want to alert this, which one will get populated, guys?
Full name.
Second,
The first one.
get full name one.
What I'll do is I'll put the B for this and I'll present B here. Understand?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I will save this record. Object name is user. Alert first name B. Get to user. Yeah, sometimes it's not.
We didn't reload the form. Right?
Are you sure? When you save the record, when you submit the record, it is getting reloaded now. Simple. Save. Save the record.
Sir, in the script, clear that var, sir.
Which were?
Not defined anything.
Okay, sorry. I didn't realize that. Did I make that false or what? It is not. Okay, Santosh happy. Test it. Save the record. See, first name is user. This is working. Okay, fine. Okay. The first name is logged in user is a function. That means it is a not a property. It is a function. That means method.
Okay.
Okay. So what you can do is where B equal to G underscore dot user dot last name or user ID, username. I can get anything. I will try to get the last name here. Okay. And I will populate B, of course. So what I can do is, give me a second. I will save the first name is system. Okay. Identity. Okay. I think I have not reloaded it. See, last name is first name is okay. Last name I'll put last name. First name, last name. Last name and the user is this. I will save the record.
Sir, you are not given the semicolon. For,
Where I have not given the same part.
yeah, last name. Variable B.
Where B.
No, it will take, it will take.
Okay.
Here in Servicenow, that is the beauty of Java. Sometimes if you forget it also, it will pick up. So I'm saving the record now. First name is system. Last name is administrator. Now I want to populate it full name. Now tell me how to do it. Alert. Tell me guys.
Quotations full name.
Exactly. Logged in user full name is plus A plus B. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reload. Save the record. First name is system, last name is administrator. Full name is system. Space
Admin.
should be there. How to manage the space, guys?
/n na.
Okay, simple. Okay, this is a do it for yourself, guys. I will share the recording to you. So do it yourself and come back with your questions. I'll try to answer all your questions. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about how to get the server side information, that is get reference. If possible, script include also we are going to discuss. Is that fine with everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, fine, sir.
Okay, see you tomorrow, same time. Bye.
Sir, just
Sir,
a minute.
I have doubt.
Please tell me.
Thursday class which you have said, I guess the password is wrong.
I don't think, man, because I will not change the password. I will just do this share, click on share, copy, and I will share it like this.
Yeah, I think you have missed some
Okay,
dot or
okay,
something.
okay.
Just
Do
check
one.
and
Give me a second. What is your group name?
Snow May 25th batch.
Okay, Snow 25th batch. Right now I am on to Snow 25th batch. Okay, password is showing wrong. Okay, this one. Which one? Which one? This one you are talking about, right? I am copying this, pasting it in my notepad, and copying this. Copy onto this. Put it here. Enter. Password is required. Password is this. Copy. Put it here. Watch record. Wrong password. How come it is possible?
Kumar, you have to take off the last semicolon at the end, and it will work.
How come? Yes, now it is working. Why it is like that?
I have no idea. I mean, I have tried different ways to do it, so I figured it out.
I don't know. Okay, so what I'll do is, give me a second. I will check. What is the date of that recording, guys? Tuesday. Tuesday means 4th. So I'll go to 4th. This is the 4th one. Timings, not 9 to 10. This is 7:39, right? Share, copy.
So there is a passcode, you can see it there.
See, that means this one is added extra. That's why it is not working. See, for F, until F only it is there. So,
It's 8-letter password.
so I will share it with one more time. You can check it out. Okay. Yeah, thanks for bringing up.
I have doubt. I have doubt.
Okay, yeah, wait for a second. Wait for a second. 5th July 2023.
4th July, sir.
4th July. Okay. 4th July. Okay, take it. Yeah, tell me, guys. Somebody is asking something.
Yes. I have practiced SOAP integration.
Okay.
టెస్ట్ చేస్తే అది అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది సార్ దాంట్లో వేరే ఇన్స్టెన్స్ లో ఆ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ లో మన ఇన్సిడెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంటే సర్వీస్ నో ఇన్స్టెన్స్ లో రావట్లేదు సార్ అదే డేటా.
Wait. I'll tell you. Don't worry. Let me start this recording first.